In this video, I will show you how to type in laptop keyboard. Any version of Windows or using PC or laptop, you can type using shortcut. So type D1. Now press Alt plus X, F1 and Alt plus X. So this way you can type this symbol D1 plus Alt plus X. M, F1 Alt plus X. Like this. So thanks for watching, and guys, if you are facing a problem, you are not able to type this one, so open the on-screen keyboard, type OSK, and here type this D1 plus X, F1 and Alt plus X, and another method, click on Start and search character. So thanks for watching.